afternoon, sir. My name is Joe Makalua, and my system is gym membership system. This system helps gym and owners and staff easily manage member and track daily attendance in a faster and more organized way. Manual recording of members. Writing member details by hand can be slow and difficult to manage. Loose or messy attendance logs. Paper can be misplaced, damaged, or hard to read. Time-consuming member tracking. Checking and updating member information manually takes too much time. Human errors in counting visits. Manual counting can lead to mistakes in tracking attendance solutions. One-click attendance recording. Attendance can be recorded instantly with just one click. Organized member database. All members' information is stored neatly in one system. Error validation for membership plans. The system checks inputs to prevent incorrect plan entries. No more handwritten forms. All records are stored digitally instead of on paper. Easy viewing and monitoring. Staff can quickly access and monitor member data anytime. Ensures clean and correct data. The system reduces errors and keeps information accurate. Automated member registration. New members can be added quickly through an automated process. Why is it worth investing in better member tracking? The system provides accurate and real-time tracking of members. Cleaner records. Digital storage keeps records organized and easy to manage. Faster operation. Tasks are completed more quickly compared to manual process. Scalable foundation for future upgrade. The system can be improved and expanded as the gym grows.